day here in New York City. We're in Washington Square Park. It's perfect to stop by the Revlon truck and get coffee and concealer.
They gave me a card. I was able to scan the barcode to pick 2 shades that would be my perfect match, and now I have a fresh cup of coffee to go with it.
I absolutely love the coffee truck. The truck was really cute. We got orange juice and coffee.
So good, I love it.
I just got color matched for my perfect shade of concealer. I can't wait to go home and try it.
Thank you, Revlon.